What's up, guys? If you're a Ninja Turtle fan, then you're in for a treat. I bought this a long time ago when they first came out. Time for them to come out the box. We got Leo. And we got Mikey. I hate those little stickers. That will hit you, rip it. Don't want them to damage the box. There we go. Here comes Mikey. Oh, yeah. Man. Damn, they made sure they don't want to steal these. What's that? Man, look at the quality and details on this. That's Mikey. Next we got Leo. We'll struggle with this sticker. There goes Leo. This is Leo. Y'all can only judge these in person because the color and detail on these, wow. Now let's put them together. This way. Yep. That's that. Oh man. I'll hit you, force it in there. That's one. There we go. That's it right there for Leo. Let's work on Mikey. You gotta see how you put these on there because they look weird. Alright, that's that for Mikey. Yeah. On these right here, you got these little clips. You gotta match them in here. They'll clip on there. There we go. Okay, you'll hear it snap. Turn it. There we go. That's it for this one. I'll just put them on the stands. For this one, you got one clip here for the foot, and then another one here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's see. On there. Okay. I would recommend put this one in first. Have this foot on the other side of the pipe. That would just slide it in. There. Easy. That's how this one looks like. Leo. Okay, for Leo it's very easy. All you gotta do is slide his foot in. See it? A little bit more. I want Leo going nowhere. Okay. That's how that one looks. Let's put them together. Okay, so that's how it looks. This is how I attach them. Like a little puzzle. Just like that. You gotta get Raph and Donnie. You'll see they'll be attached to that on that side. Donnie will be in the back. That's how they will look. Select them all, guys.